This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're in Premiere. Start by opening the sequence you'll narrate and save a backup. Once done, enable Essential Graphics and the Text-to-Speech or Captions workspace so panels are visible. Next, create a new text layer or caption track. This is where your script will live. Make choices now, set the language and voice type, and pick the sample rate for clean audio. These early steps let you skip rework later and ensure the generated speech matches your project settings. Now paste or type the copy into the text-to-speech input and break long sentences into shorter lines so phrasing sounds natural. Then, adjust voice parameters, speed and pitch for realistic pacing, and use SSML or punctuation to control pauses if the tool supports it. Preview several takes, compare them, and export the chosen audio to your media bin. Drag that file onto a dedicated narration track and nudge edits while listening. Finish by mixing. Normalize the narration to a consistent loudness and duck background music with sidechain compression or clip keyframes so speech stays clear. Once mixed, export a short test file to confirm bitrate and sync on phones and desktops. If a word sounds wrong, correct the text, try phonetic spelling or add punctuation, and regenerate that segment only. This is faster than redoing the whole track. If the issue persists, try a different voice or slightly slower speed to improve clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.